In this video, we're going to learn how to insert the map or location symbol into Word and other software. Let's start with method 1, using the Unicode character. First, open the document in Microsoft Word or another text editor. Then place the cursor where you want to insert the symbol. To insert a generic map pin symbol, you can use the Unicode U plus 1F4CD. In Word, type 1F4CD, then press Alt plus X. The symbol round pushpin should appear. Now let's move on to method 2, using the Insert Symbol feature in Word. First go to the Insert tab in Word, click on Symbol, and select More Symbols from the drop-down menu. In the Symbol dialog box, choose a font that supports Unicode, such as Segoe UI Emoji. Scroll through the list or enter the Unicode number in the character code box. Click Insert to add the symbol to your document. Moving on to method 3, using the character map on Windows. Open the character map application, search in the Start menu. Choose a font that supports symbols like Segoe UI Symbol. Check the Advanced View box to search by Unicode. Enter the Unicode, e.g. U plus 1F4CD, to find the map pin symbol. Click Select and then Copy. Now you can paste the symbol into your document. Now we have method 4, using the emoji keyboard. For software that supports emojis, you can use a quick keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Windows plus or Windows plus semicolon to open the emoji panel and search for the location pin. On Mac, press Control plus Command plus Space to open the emoji keyboard and search for the location pin. Finally, method 5, copy-paste from online resources. You can search for the location symbol online, copy the symbol directly from a website, and paste it into your document. It's a quick and easy way to get the symbol. These methods should allow you to insert the map or location symbol into most text-based software applications. Thank you for watching.